In this video, I'm sharing how you can achieve wealth and abundance manifestation with Ziva Daoshu and Feng Shui. Hi, my name is Gagan Sarkaria. I'm a high achievement life and business coach, abundance manifestation expert, Chinese astrologer, and Feng Shui master. Let's begin with the basic question. What is Chinese metaphysics? Chinese metaphysics is also called the five arts, collectively known as Wushu. Chinese metaphysics is a unique system of ancient wisdom used for thousands of years as a compass to navigate through the ups and downs of life. Most commonly, you would have encountered this system through modalities like Chinese zodiac information, traditional Chinese medicine, flying star feng shui, four-pillar Bazi chart readings, purple star astrology, Ziva Daoshu, face reading, Tai Chi, and Chimandanja divination techniques, for instance, are also a part of the five arts. Chinese metaphysics subjects are divided into five categories. Each one has secret codes to manifesting abundance, improving your luck, enhancing your energy, and winning the battles of life. So you may be thinking, how can Chinese astrology help us? With Chinese astrology ancient wisdom, you can discover your true astrological potential beyond just the Chinese zodiac sign to bring the best out of you. I believe it is one of the best personal development, problem solving, and forecasting tools. Chinese divination and destiny science techniques can guide you to understand yourself, your fate, and your destiny, and how you can manifest what you want in life based on your realm of possibilities. As a result of this professional and applied knowledge, you can be empowered to lead an abundant, fulfilling, and happy life. Feng Shui is the art of aligning the energies, the qi that is inside and around you. As a result, professional consultation of Ziva Daoshu reading and Feng Shui offers detailed and specific insights along with simple and effective solutions for identifying problems and improving your wealth, health, relationships, career, and family. Let me ask you, are things going according to plan for you? Usually when we are in our comfort zone, stuck in a rat race, or in shock and denial, we cannot anticipate the drama or distress headed our way. Chinese metaphysical world has allowed me and many of my clients a pathway to fresh conception of new consciousness, manifesting abundant blessings as a result. When was the last time you reflected on your goals and direction in life, your relationship challenges, or health and wellness? Maybe it is the amount of stress surrounding you. As a Feng Shui master, I regularly align the energies to manifest abundance using destiny science and divination techniques found in Chinese metaphysics. Personally, I have more challenges and complexities fated on my chart, especially from relationship balances. Having this awareness allows me the knowledge to actually tackle the challenges and lessons, and this is where half of the battle is won. Now, there is a big difference in the law of attraction and abundance manifestation. If things have not been going according to plan for you, try exploring alternative routes and discovering your life map reading as a starting point to enhance your good luck based on your ancient codes and astrological maps. Understanding your soul code will shed light on your inner and outer personalities and your hidden lessons of life. Feng Shui professional consultation that offers solutions and remedies aligned to your personal astrological charts and matched with the qi of your property and environment creates outstanding results. Redefine your abundance with Ziva Daoshu life map reading. The stars on your chart reveal the patterns that flow through our lives. Understanding these patterns is the key to reshaping your path. Ziva Daoshu unveils what is and what can be. See why my Ziva Daoshu clients say this is a life-changing astrology reading. You can find out more on the testimonials. Life has a way of teaching us lessons, and my clients come to me when they have been through so many other routes and not found success. When you are ready to grow and surrender your limitations, the gifts will flow, and as the saying goes, when the student is ready, the teacher appears. I help you open to the universe's abundance to live a life of wealth, happiness, health, and abundance. If you want to discover your life map reading and create your success blueprint, click on the button below or read my Chinese astrology and metaphysical blogs. So, how does the universe affect us? Life teaches us lessons, and time offers cyclical opportunities to grow. The universe will support you and show you tough love if you are blind to your own growth or stand in your own way. This stubbornness and blindness due to lack of humility and egotistical behaviors and poor choices in life cause downward spiral phases where everything in life can fall apart. We can see the fated events and identify these destructive phases in some of the Zive Daoxue star structures. When you're ready to grow and surrender your limitations, you can gain refreshing perspective to manifest your abundance. Learning Chinese metaphysics and astrology modalities like Zive Daoxue can guide you to discover your destiny blueprint and create the life you want. Feng Shui consultation add depth and enhances your luck, qi, and destiny. Keep in mind that all Feng Shui consultants are not astrology experts and vice versa. Using your heavenly stem and earthly branch combination will give you a refreshing perspective. So how does knowing about Chinese astrology and metaphysics affect your day-to-day life? Recognizing the true potential in yourself is the first step. With the right tools and insights, Chinese metaphysics, the 5 arts will empower you to lead a fulfilling and happy life. Knowing the fated events, the energy cycles on your charts will allow you to tap into the power of timing, thus creating remarkable results and miraculous manifestations for you. If you're ready to discover your true destiny and live the life of your dreams, get your life map reading done. If you are interested in learning Zive Daoxue astrology, sign up for the upcoming Zive Daoxue course. This is Gagan Sarkaria signing off. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you inside the course.